Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Yekaterinburg. Our company has a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a peltizer to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year, we modernized and started replacing the outdated and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 20 years and know very well all the technological processes in the company. I chose new equipment to replace the technically unsuitable one on my own, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. In production, they check the moisture level, melting time, transparency. To ensure that the tablets fully complied with the requirements of hygiene, it was necessary to have a serious approach to the choice of equipment. Plans for modernization included the purchase of a blistering machine, which is used for automatic formation of cellular packaging from PVC roll material. The machine automatically fills the cells with tablets. After the cells are filled, the equipment seals the surface of the blisters with aluminum foil. The old machine was constantly being repaired, did not provide the necessary performance. The equipment had to be modern and of high quality. Since I had already chosen many different machines for our company, I had a little experience in the selection and remained the contacts of some reliable manufacturers of equipment. I started contacting the manufacturers by telephone and asked if they could produce an automatic machine for packaging pills into aluminum blisters. I specified automatic control, quality material of stainless steel equipment as the main criteria. I first approached a company in Germany, which offered me automatic equipment for packaging pills into aluminum blisters, but they specified that the whole process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. Delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted the company from Russia. She said that they do not manufacture this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and manufacture the machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait. Since I could not find a manufacturer of equipment for packaging tablets into aluminum blister packs, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest another machine option. I searched the internet for an intermediary from Russia because I once had a bad experience with equipment supplied by a Chinese intermediary when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical data sheet. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All companies I phoned to make sure of the professionalism of managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. In 5 days I got an email from them 10 options for packaging pills in aluminum blisters, and an offer to make a choice on their own. I realized that they do not have a professional approach, and I will not help me in my search for equipment. The last, third intermediary option turned out to be a good one for me. The male manager talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired productivity of the machine, told me about the terms of delivery. He suggested an automatic machine for packing tablets into aluminum blister packs, which I was able to quickly negotiate with the company management. The machine was acceptable in characteristics and price. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. The specialist asked to send aluminum foil, in which it was planned to pack tablets, and the tablets themselves, to test the equipment. The manager informed us about the degree of readiness of the machine 2 weeks before delivery. 30 days after conclusion of the contract, we received the automatic equipment for packaging tablets into aluminum foil blisters. The manager provided the manufacturer's warranty, technical passport of the equipment, drawings, operation manual. We installed the machine and trained an employee in a week who will be assigned to the machine. In the future, I plan to contact the manager of this company to purchase analytical equipment, which should be purchased for the production of the drug in gelatin capsules. I am sure that he will pick up the quality equipment for me. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a specialist will speed up the solution of the task at hand and free up time, which can be spent to your advantage.